Well, so far, FEU 6 digs. Itong Philippine Army with 4. At FEU 3 attack points pa rin. Partner, hindi kumilos. Itong Philippine Army 9. So, umabante pa ng 3.
Well, you know, Army has been serving well so far dito sa first set. Giselle C. Carolino. This is Pons.
Back row.
Oh. You know, medyo quiet siya in today's match because she is a go-to player for FEU.
Ang lakas din eh. Mala Angela Benting.
Oh. Oh, another hitting error to para sa FEU. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky.
What FEU kasi is trying to do is to iwasan eh, di ba? Parang iniiwasan yung mga blockers. Hindi man nila china-challenge.
That's right. And, you know, we've seen FEU play dito sa conference. Medyo intimidated play sila today. Ano, we understand.
Yeah, totally. Bilang yung mga spikers ang pwedeng kumuha ng puntos. Ito si Tina Salak being a setter.
No, tsaka ang maganda kay Tina Salak, she rarely, if not, hindi naman siguro never, gets called for the lifting violation. Talagang
Swabing. It's just that yung angle from where the ball is coming from, mataas, sharp.
Dalia Cruz, another good serve. Si Pons. Oh!
Outsmarting and challenging the defense of the Philippine Army. Yan yung mga gustong makita ni Coach Zach, di ba? Yan eh, nakakatuwang makita na laban lang. And, actually today, maganda yung better yung floor defense ng FEU kesa nung nakita ko sila in the previous game.
That's right. And pero yung mga unforced errors, again,
Yun
not
eh.
helping.
Yun, lalo na yung spiking errors nila, yun naman yung marami ngayon. Sayang eh, kasi maayos yung floor defense sana eh.
Exactly. Tapos yung ngayon, service. We'll see. Another miscue there. This time, si Malabanan. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Nasalak, short serve, si kay Pons. Yun ang kailangan ng FEU.
Yes, and Pons off the block this time.
Another good spike.
Oh, see? What? Iba-iba, no? Ang maganda rito, nakita natin off-speed. Susunod, off the block. Ngayon, powerful hit naman na coming from Pons ang nakita natin on that last play. Challenge yung blockers ng Philippine Army. Ang ganda naman nun. Tatlong iba-ibang klaseng puntos.
Oo. Tsaka maganda, you can see na not only potential, that she plays with, like we said about Jove Gonzaga, she plays with a lot of heart. Parang wala siyang takot sa Army eh. Well, Giselle C now serving for FEU. Medyo commanding lead right now for Army, 9 points. Dalia Cruz. Gonzaga.
Oh, Gonzaga naman. Just smartly using the blocker of FEU to get that point.
Pero medyo at that play, no, they showed intimidated talaga sila sa Army because the ball of the blocker, mataas siya eh. So gettable when for floor defense, pero talaga nakatayo lang yung FEU.
Kumbaga, in-o pa dun sa nangyari.
Exactly. We'll see.
Once again, si Pons trying to go off speed.
Oh, that was Simborio. Marie Charlemagne Simborio for FEU. Yung approach ni Simborio, no?
Mapa-perfect nila yan.
Well, again, something to watch out for this young FEU squad.
Oh, beautiful back set to Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Pero yun yung ugali talaga ni Gonzaga. Medyo all praises tayo kasi she's been playing very well sa conference na to. That one wasn't the best of sets pero ginawan pa rin niya ng paraan.
Tsaka pag pumalo si Gonzaga, parang kasama yung buong Philippine Army. Bit-bit lahat eh.
Oh, good cover this time. Simborio again.
Nice.
Cruz, nabasa ni Giselle C. Salak, back to Cruz.
Oh, not enough spin. That open hit by Dalia Cruz.
Oh, medyo nanggigil siya in that play, no?
Well, sa kanya kasi nanggaling yung first ball. So, nagmamadali siya to go. Sa kanya ulisin ni
Oo.
Tina, oh. Tignan natin yung quickness mo.
Pero tingnan mo, kinakausap ni Tina Salak si Dalia Cruz.
Subukan natin.
A good dig. Pasas. Torres was there.
Oh, yun ang maganda namang set galing kay Tina.
Oo. Pons. Yes. Back row down the line. Talaga.
Ilan na yan, ha?
Oh.
Ilan na? Tignan natin.
Nice
Ganda pa ng serve.
Oh, bunag.
And you can see, Bunag is just too experienced in that last play. Ang ganda ng angulo, eh.
Goes to show na, alam mo, pag pumatay ka ng ball, hindi kailangan lagi powerful, eh. Well, set point right now para sa Team Army. Gonzaga. C. Simborio. Torres was there. Salak. Dalia Cruz. Saved by FEU. Little joust pero FEU. Simborio.
Oh, that's not going to go over. 4 touches ang violation doon.
That's right. Delayed call but the right call, as that did not go over. So, first set here, Army all over Team FEU and our shake and play.
That hit by Joanne Bunag.
And Army draws first blood, 25-15.